Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Norse organic subscription. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, there are two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first one is very easy and the second one is little bit hard for you. First of all, you need to visit on the official website norseorganics.co, and once you are on the official website, at the very bottom side, once you are on their footer section on the website, you will see there are lots of options. You just need to simply select manage subscription option, and once you select this option, it will show you this kind of a screen. In this screen you need to enter your email ID, and once you enter your email ID, you need to send subscription link login link. Okay, once you hit this button, they will send you a message. You need to check your email inbox. If it's in the inbox, you can click on the link. If it's not in the inbox, you can check your spam folder also. Once you click on the link, you can manage your subscription. You are on the subscription dashboard and you can manage it, you can pause it, you can cancel it. If this method will not work, if you are not getting any email from their side, in this case what you can do, you can contact your credit card provider and you can make a request for cancellation of your credit card, and once they cancel your credit card, or you can also ask for active subscriptions, how many active subscriptions you have. If they tell you, you can make a request like you would like to cancel your subscriptions, which you want to cancel. You can tell them, they will cancel your subscription or they will cancel your card. Okay, if not possible, they can cancel your card definitely. Okay, and once your card is ended and once you get new card, your all the old subscription will ended and they are not going to charge on your account. Okay, so this is the last and the very last option for you, okay, by which you can cancel your Norse organic subscription. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. If you have any experience related to this kind of problem, you can also share your experience in our comment section. Your comment is a very important for other people's also. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video, take care.